Here's a video on how to winterize your camper. The first thing you need to do is make this kind of fitting right here. It's a hose bib by your air compressor air nozzle. This tape I put here just for because of these brass threads right here are very sharp, so I put some tape on there for my protection. But also you need to get a what I've got is a small air compressor. I just put about 20 psi on the line. Mine has an adjustment right here, as you can see, 20 psi. You don't want to go too much further than that. This is your main gauge. This is your the air pressure coming out of this line right here. This is the end that's going to go into this. They connect, of course, just like that. Again, 20 psi. You want to put this fitting into your city water connection. And on my water tank, hot water tank or water heater, mine has a bypass. This is very important. If you don't have a bypass, install one. They have kits. What it does is bypass your tank. There's 3 valves here. Your hot water out, cold water. Actually, this goes hot water coming out of your tank into your tank, because the water connection comes in through here. It goes into your tank. So basically you want to turn these off, this one and this one off. Turn this one on. So basically you have your water that comes in, stops, it doesn't go into your tank, it comes up and then back around to all your faucets. So that's what the bypass does. Again, this is your in, it stops, goes up, this valve is on, comes in and goes back through your line. Now usually this is the way, if you're using your camper, these valves would be on and this one would be off. So basically what it does is your cold water comes in, gets hot, comes out and goes through your spigots. That way, this is your bypass right here. So again, you want to turn this one on, this one and this one off. And then you want to go and plug in your air compressor. Again, 20 psi. It's putting air in. And hopefully all your spigots are off. Mine I think I left on because I've already pumped it full of air. Yep. I've already done. You can hear the water or the air. Okay. Like I said, I've already flushed mine, so after you plug that in, you want to come around and do each spigot until you hear this air coming out. At first you'll have a lot of water that's already in the lines will come out, and then you'll do your hot, and then you'll want to do your shower. Until all the water's out. You want to do your toilet. There you go. Once you hear air, it's clear. you want to do all your spigots. There you go. What that air is doing is pushing out all the water out of the lines. I'm good with that. A little bit of water is not going to hurt anything. And do not forget your shower, your outdoor shower, if you have one. Do not forget that, because that's where a lot of people forget. I've left this one on, I think. So I get this lock in here. That'll do it, right? Yeah. So again, you'll turn on each one until all your water stops. It's just air coming out of here now. So mine is all clean, clear. And after that, what I do is unplug that, leave those on, drain your hot water tank. Oh, I wish you could see this. There's 2 eagles, bald eagles, flying way up here. There they are, bald eagles. I can't focus in, I'm sorry. There they are. Wow. It's probably a breeding pair. I heard the noise they make. They're, while I was talking. Pretty cool. But I'm sorry, what you want to do is make sure you drain your hot water tank. I've got a video posted on YouTube how to do that. You pull out your anode, drain your water. That's all there is to it on that. But that's all there is on winterizing your camper with air pressure. And also what I do is leave on throughout the winter all the valves, on, all your spigots. Turn those on. That way any water expansion, it will go ahead and flow through your line. That way that doesn't happen. That's all there is to it. Thanks, guys.